bit of holding by Lineker. Stop your van coming through. Here's Hagi. First time he's really been in possession. Oh, that's not a bad try! And it came back off the crossbar. Well, that's the measure of this 20-year-old. He was a full 20 yards out. Shilton may have just brushed it with his fist. Sanson. Hately. Got 3 up. And here's Klein. Koresh. Kamataru. Well, they're making much more out of a great deal less. And they're not frightened to have a go, which is perhaps a little unusual for an Iron Curtain countryside. No hesitation at all from Kamataru. Robson has joined them. Huddle is onside! 1-0! Oh, that's lovely! Really gorgeous goal because the Romanians were looking the other way, and suddenly the barn door behind them was wide open. Look at this, they're all looking for the long ball. They move up. Huddle just stayed onside because of the defenders on the near side as we looked. Haji! Oh! Got away completely again. And Koresh presumably asking him why he didn't score. Koresh. Huddle. He's clear, is Lineker. Referee says no foul. That's the pace of Lineker with the telling factor. Kamataru, did he take it with his hand? Shilton, it's one apiece. Shilton obviously thought that he used his hand. Look at Tritschler there. Good heavens, what's this? But I must say I thought the number 9 used his hand. With a flick on by Rednick. Surely there was a touch of the forearm there. But he got right through the heart of the England defence. Peter Shilton to meet him. And Shilton in fact went the wrong way. He's guided past his legs by Kamataru. Reed. Hately, Lineker, Stevens. Well, every man knew what he was doing. Reed's cross. Won by Robson, on by Hately. Little touch from Lineker. But really, Stevens didn't get over the ball. Sanson. Cleanly away from Hagi. Lineker, good save. Piece of play by Kenny Sansom. All swivel hips, all neat control. Played it off as he was moving onto the other foot. Well struck and well saved. There's more individual ability here than in many of their sides of the past. John Barnes. Lineker. Huddle. Yes! Barnes! Yes! No! The flag is up on the far side. Well, I can only think the flag was for offside. Must have been very, very tight indeed. Well, level would be enough. What a pity. Player when he's allowed to do that. 1-1 it is. And Mircea Lucescu greets that as a victory, which for him it is to get a point here at Wembley. The goal scored by Kamataru from the only attack of note that Romania had in the second half. But it has to remember that Hagi twice hit the post. And England's goal, which was equalised by Kamataru, scored by Glenn Hoddle in the 25th minute. The goals in the 25th minute and in the 60th minute